Hello Aveda family, welcome back to Aveda's YouTube channel. This is Ada here from All Things Ada. You can find me everywhere on the internet at All Things Ada, or you can check out my blog allthingsada.com. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get my signature middle part low ponytail. This is my signature style when my hair starts to get a little old and I don't want to wash it yet. Us curly girls typically have our curls out with lots of volume, so sometimes it's nice to just pull it all back, make your face the prime focus, add on a fun lipstick, and just have fun and switch up your style. If you missed the other styling video that I did for Aveda on their YouTube channel, make sure that you check it out after this. It is my go-to wash and go. 80% of the time you will catch me with a wash and go. It is my favorite way to wear my curly hair, so be sure you check out that video after you're done with this one. Anyways, if you want to know how I go from this to my signature middle part low ponytail, keep on watching this video. Alright, so it's been 4 days since I've washed my hair. To go to bed, I typically sleep with my hair in this style, which is called the pineapple. You just bring all your hair to the front, you secure it with an elastic band, and you go to bed on a silk pillowcase. And then in the morning, you just take out the scrunchie, kind of shake your hair, and these are the results that you'll usually have. To refresh my hair, I spritz my hair down with some water, and then I will apply my favorite, the Flaxseed Aloe Stronghold Sculpting Gel. This gel is amazing because it's so lightweight and liquidy. It's super easy for you to reapply the product in your hair, scrunch it out, let your hair air dry, and run out the door. The Flaxseed Aloe Stronghold Sculpting Gel is a Stronghold gel that offers maximum control for sculpting and molding hair. It's made with certified organic flaxseed and aloe and adds body and enhances shine. Can you believe that it's been 4 days? 4 days since I've done my hair, and look how amazing it looks thanks to the gel. I really love this gel, and I love it even more for refreshing the hair. As you can see, my hair is still nice and defined, shiny. Love it. I still have a lot of volume, and as the days go by, I will acquire more volume. Now, typically, I could extend this wash and go about 2 more days as long as I keep refreshing it with the Flaxseed Aloe Gel. But today, I'm going to show you guys how to get my signature middle part low ponytail. So I like to start off with hair that's a little dirty, and typically that is hair that is closer to the end of my wash and go when it's all frizzy in the front. To begin, you're going to take your favorite refillable spray bottle and you are going to saturate the front of your hair with water. This will make it easier to lay the curls down when you brush them. Now that your hair is nice and wet, you're going to take the Be Curly Curl Enhancer. And I like to apply this in my hair because it helps combat frizz and also adds shine. So this is going to be really nice for your low pony. So we are going to apply that all to the front of our hair. And then using a fine tooth comb, you're going to go ahead and create your part. This ponytail looks good with whatever part you decide to do, but I am a middle part gal, so we're going to go ahead and do a middle part today. Now, using your favorite paddle brush, you're going to go ahead and start brushing the hair back. And because the hair is wet and it has Be Curly in it, it's just super easy to actually style the hair. Next, you're going to take your favorite brush and you're going to start brushing the hair back. I'm sure you all are wondering how I managed to get these little hairs in the front, my baby hairs down. And for that, I like to use a recycled toothbrush that I now use for my hair, of course. And I go ahead and actually put some of the Flaxseed Aloe Gel on there. And using my toothbrush, I am going to brush down the front of my hair. And because the Flaxseed Aloe Gel is a Stronghold, it will lay down those hairs. Look how nice and slick that is. If you notice any more flyaways, go ahead and apply more gel to your toothbrush and slick the hair back down. Alright, so if you notice in your ponytail there might be some curls that need just a little extra love after you slicked your hair down. So what I like to do is I like to wet those curls again. And I apply some of the Be Curly Curl Enhancer to my fingers and just touch up those curls by applying the product. Oh, this product smells so good. I feel like I'm in the salon. If there's random pieces that just won't curl and need a little extra love, what I like to do is take my paddle brush, untangle the hair, and apply more product. And then I like to finger curl and then scrunch. See how we just brought that curl back to life? And you're gonna do the same thing with the other pieces. And last but not least, you're gonna take your Flaxseed aloe gel, apply some of that on your fingertips, and go over those curls that you just refreshed so that they can have a nice hold to them all day and you don't get any frizz. At this point, you can let your ponytail air dry, or if you're in a rush, you can go ahead and diffuse that section of your hair. I love how easy it is to bring your curls back to life using the Be Curly Curl Enhancer as well as the Flaxseed aloe gel. The front of my hair has dried and I wish you guys can feel this. It's nice and smooth. It's not crunchy, but it's a nice hold that I will have all day. And that is how I achieve my signature middle part low ponytail. If you love Aveda products as much as I do, make sure you subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with all of their beauty tips, tricks, and products. If you would like to learn more about the amazing products used in this video, make sure to visit Aveda's website, or you can stop by the Aveda salon for a hair treatment and to learn more about the products one-on-one with an expert stylist. I hope that you enjoyed this styling video, and if you haven't gotten a chance to watch my wash and go video, you should definitely check it out. Thank you so much, Aveda, for having me on your channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.